Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the not working microphone on the Samsung Galaxy S22. If your microphone isn't working while you're on a call, gaming, or recording a voice note, I'm going to show you a few things you can do to try and fix that. The first thing we're going to do is find the microphone port, which is usually on the bottom of the device, this hole right here. We're going to find that hole and clean it out with a non-metallic tool or brush to get all of the dirt out. Just get the dirt out and that might unclog the port and make the sound quality better. The next thing we can try is testing the microphone in the voice recorder app. I had this voice recorder app that I downloaded from the Play Store. On this phone, the voice recorder app doesn't usually come with the phone, so make sure to install one from the Play Store. Then allow it to use the microphone and access everything it needs. You can test your voice by hitting the record button and speaking into it for a few seconds. After that, check the recording and see the situation your microphone is having. If it still doesn't work, we'll move on to the next step, which is booting into safe mode to check for third-party app issues. Safe mode allows you to boot your phone without any third-party apps turned on, like Firefox or the DJI app. Boot into safe mode by going to the control panel, hitting the power icon, holding on the power off icon, and tapping safe mode. Once you're in safe mode, try opening the voice recorder app or anything else that uses the microphone and check it there. If the microphone does start working, the issue is in one of the third-party apps you have. Get out of safe mode by rebooting your phone normally. Then figure out which app is the troublemaker and remove it. The next thing we can try is granting the microphone permissions to the app you're using. Find the app you're having issues with, go to Settings, scroll down to Apps, find the app, click on Permissions, select Microphone, and choose Allow Only while using the app or Always Allow. Once done, exit out, check the app again, and see if that helped. If it didn't, the last thing we can try is updating the software to fix mic bugs. If this is a known issue, the developers might put out an update that fixes it. To do that, open up Settings, scroll down to Software Update, click Download and Install, and see if there's an update waiting for you. As you can see, I have an update right here. If you don't, you can skip this step. But if you do, hit Install now and it's going to start downloading the new software. Once it does, update it, restart your phone, and check if the issue has been fixed. That is pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.